Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Acorns. Specifically, we're going to answer the question, is Acorns a prepaid bank? Now, before we jump into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Acorns is. Acorns is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment and banking services. They're most well known for their automated investing platform, which allows you to set up recurring investments with just a few clicks. But Acorns also offers a checking account, a debit card, and a high-yield savings account. So, with all of these features, it's easy to see why people might wonder if Acorns is a bank. The answer is no, Acorns is not a bank. Acorns is a fintech company that partners with banks to offer its banking services. So, while Acorns may look and feel like a bank, it's actually not a traditional financial institution. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that Acorns is a great option if you're looking for a convenient way to invest and save your money. But it's important to be aware that Acorns is not FDIC insured, which means that your money is not protected by the government in the event that Acorns goes out of business. If you're looking for a traditional bank account, then Acorns is not the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to invest and save your money, then Acorns is a great option. So, there you have it. Acorns is not a bank, but it is a great fintech company that offers a variety of banking and investment services. Whether or not Acorns is right for you will depend on your individual needs and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.